We come to the end of the show, but before we close, I would like you, Simon, to give us a parting shot about Clean Cooking Solutions.
Thank you, first of all, for coming to CCAK. And at least I know people have been able to really understand the basics around clean cooking. And my parting shot is let's continue supporting the sector as a sector association, as an umbrella, the people who we are with currently and the people who would like to join. And to the government, we would also want to appreciate the support and would also want to urge other sector players. Let's support the plans that have been there. Let's support the strategies that are being developed because we'll be able to move this sector forward. And for these are the people within the clean cooking space also. Let's keep putting the pedal on lobbying the government to be able to really push for an enabling environment in terms of fiscal incentives. But overall, I think we will be able to really move towards the goal that is to transition to modern clean cooking solutions by the year 2028. And lastly, to the general viewer, EnviroCare fans and people who will be watching, I think it's high time that we really follow the space of clean cooking so that we get to understand what is happening in the space. There are a lot of innovations happening. There are a lot of things we can be able to do. And if you're going home, you're in the urban setting, you're going home, go with that information that there's so much that they can be able to change, and it starts with you. You can even purchase modern solution, take it to your family so that they can be able to really adopt these and see them being in use. I would urge people to really follow the conversation that we've been talking about today, and also be able to subscribe and become members of the Clean Cooking Association, because you can be able to join and follow us on our Twitter handle, on our Facebook. Twitter handle is Clean Cooking Kenya, and on Facebook, LinkedIn, and on Instagram is Clean Cooking Association of Kenya. Click that button, follow us, and we'll be able to take the conversation to the next level. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, the viewer, for watching us. You've heard for yourself that you can take action even in your own household. We are asking and requesting that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that every time we have a new video, you are able to see what is happening, especially in the environmental space. By you subscribing, we'll be able to have a wider outreach and change our environmental story. And that is our aim. And thank you so much for staying tuned.
Cooking as a nature-based solution.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, that one has to come very
yeah.
well.